Hi friends, today our topic of discussion is Nazim Ezekiel, an Indian English poet who is famous for his poetry in English. At first we can see his life. Nazim Ezekiel was born in 1924 in Mumbai to a Jewish family. They were part of Mumbai's Marathi-speaking Jewish community known as Bnei Israel. His father was a botany teacher at Wilson College and his mother was the principal of a school that she herself had set up. Nazim was well educated and had a particular liking for the poetry. He attended Wilson College and in 1947 he gained a first-class honors degree in literature and immediately started teaching English literature. India was politically a hotbed of activity at that time, and he took an active interest in that for a little while, but soon decided to travel to England, and he spent his next 3.5 years studying philosophy at Birkbeck College in London, living in a very low standard accommodation. Much of his experiences he got from London is found in his first collection of poems, which was published in 1952 called Time to Change. Having completed his studies, he then made his way back to home. But he could not afford to pay for his fare, so he worked on the way scrubbing decks and other menial jobs all the way on an arm carrying vessel bound for India, China. Upon his return, he quickly joined the literary scene in India. So let's move on to the literary career of Nazim Ezekiel. He started writing articles for Illustrated Weekly in India along with broadcasting on All India Radio. He wrote for a number of other newspapers and magazines including the Times of India. He co-founded the literary magazine Imprint in 1961 and worked as an art critic for the Times of India between 1964 and 66. He also edited poetry in 1966 to 1967 and was a professor of English and headed the Department of English of Mumbai Mithibai College from 1961 to 72. He taught at University of Mumbai till he retired in 1984. He was a professor of English and a reader in American literature at Bombay University in 1990s and secretary of the Indian branch of International Writers Organization, PEN. He passed away in 2004 in Mumbai at the age of 79 after a long battle against Alzheimer's disease. Then it is time to discuss his awards. He was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Cultural Award in 1983. He also received Padma Shri, India's highest honor for civilian, in 1988. Okay, then it is his choice of theme. He used to choose love, loneliness, sexuality, alienation as the theme for his work. At the time of his death, he was considered the most famous and influential Indian poet who wrote in English. So we can see which are the works he has written. In the beginning we had told he is most renowned as Indian poet who is famous for his writing in English. So here we can see at first the collections of poems he has written. As we had discussed before, Time to Change is his first collection of poems. It was published in 1952. It is a personal poem, personal poems are included rather than political. Then it is 60 poems published in 1953. Then the third in 1959. These two poems, 60 poems and the third, these two poems deal with the theme sex. Next it is The Unfinished Man, published in 1960. Then the exact name in 1965. And in this collection, his renowned work or world famous work, Night of the Scorpion, was included. Another collection, Poster Poems in 1973, provides deeper insight into his layered identity. Then Snakeskin and Other Poems in 1974, Hymns in Darkness in 1976, Latter-day Saints in 1982. Latter-day Saints won Sahitya Akademi Cultural Award in 1983. And you can move on to the plays he has written. First one, it is a collection, 3 plays. 3 plays in this book. He has written 3 plays. One, it is Nalini. It's a 3-act comedy. In 1969 it is published. The Marriage Poem, 1-act tragic comedy. In this play, frustration of a lady because of her husband's extramarital relationship is explained. Then another one, that is the third one, it is Sleepwalker, into American farce. Through this book, 3 plays, Ezekiel revealed his frustration for people who go abroad. Song of Deprivation, Reputation. It is a comic morality in 1 act. It explains the plight of modern man who deprived of privacy and life. Let's see the prose written by Nassim. First one, it is Naipaul's India and Mine in 1976. It's a reply to Naipaul's travelogue, An Area of Darkness. In this work, Ezekiel writes, we can conclude by mentioning some of the important poems written by Nassim. The Couple, Nude, Enterprise, The Paradise Flycatcher, Sop, Goodbye Party for Miss Pushpa T.S., Marriage, The Professor, Night of the Scorpion, Philosophy. These are some of the most important poems written by Nassim.